Hi and welcome back. In this video, we will continue by showing how these tests were built. As a reminder, we're testing the Avalanche Serial MRAM using the high-level Griffin 3 test system and the Symphony 3 software. Remember when we ran this series of tests in the previous video? Here is a list of the tests we ran automatically. First a continuity test, then read the registers. After that, we write and read various patterns into various portions of the memory. We develop and run each of these tests individually in the interactive mode first, then we put them all together in AutoTest. How do we make this test suite? Here is the Build ATX window where we define the test setup. We'll start by putting in a continuity test. For that, we must attach a set file so that we have the pins defined. We grab that file and we put it under the set column. Next, we'll run a functional test. With a functional test, we have not only the set file that we must use, but we also must go get a vector file. So we click the TRN button, select a vectors file, and then highlight it and place it under the TRN column. We continue until we're finished when we add an end command. Then we save the file. Now let's look at these vector patterns in the interactive mode. We can choose any of the tests we've just seen. Here are the actual contents of the vector memory. We can easily manipulate this vector data, which is sometimes the right thing to do, but in other cases, we may want to use some tools to create these vectors automatically. You can see by the comments where each device instruction ends. So how did we get these patterns? We used a high-level software tool called the Test Program Generator. See it in our next video.